Welcome back to Silverback Custom Works. This will be the final segment in our series of videos that we've been running on this project vehicle. Just kind of want to walk you around it real fast. Customer will be taking possession of this in the morning, so this is our last chance to let everybody take a look at it. Kind of just give you a quick walk around. There's a lot of time, a lot of work went into this vehicle. We had a great customer that one that was interested in doing it correctly, doing it the right way. Gave us a lot of latitude on what we wanted to do with it, which we really appreciated. All the seats have been reupholstered. Dash has been coated to match the floor. Floor is Raptor lined. New door panels supplied by Super Scout specialists. Does have a Silverback Custom Works Extreme bumper on it. This is something that might be available in the future. If anybody's interested in it, give us a call. Kind of let you see the engine compartment at this side. Mickey Thompson Baja claws. This vehicle did come equipped with, I don't know whether you can see that or not, but it does have an IH equipped AM/FM CB, which was available through International. And as you can see, it's all wrapped up, ready to be delivered. Tomorrow she'll find her home. Again, we appreciate everybody that's been watching these videos. And if you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to give us a call. We'd love to do a scout for you too. We concentrate on high quality and longevity of the build here. So if you want your best bang for the buck, don't hesitate to give us a call at Silverback Custom Works or visit our website at silverbackcustomworks.com.